Hello guys, welcome back with the second puzzle, not in today's newspaper of Friday, January the 14th, 2022, no, it's the yesterday's newspaper of Thursday, January the 13th, 2022, because in today's newspaper we have no extra puzzles, no additional, so I've decided to solve the yesterday's edition. And we have three puzzles left. The first one I have already solved, the One Star Sudoku. We have the two stars, this is this one, the tectonic and the binary. And it's time for the second puzzle, the Two Stars Sudoku. And this will be a number. It will be number 3981. Yeah. 3981. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 26 printed digits. Correct me if I'm wrong, alright? And for a two stars puzzle, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. Alright? So let's get started. Let me see. Well, we have a lot of eights, I see. A lot of twos. Yeah. Yeah. Alright. Okay. We have a 2 in this column, the 2 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only place left for the 2 should be there. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this column. One of the missing numbers is 2. We have a 2 in this big square, so no 2 in these 3 boxes. So 2 could be here, or there. We see there 2, no 2 there. Here 2, no 2 there. The only place left for 2 should be there. 4 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing numbers is 2. We see here 2 in this big square, so no 2 in these 2 boxes. So the 2 could be here or there. We see there 2, so no 2 there. 2 should be there. Okay. And now I cannot continue with the 2. How about the 8? Well, we have an 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row, so the row above. The only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see there ain't no 8 there. 8 should be there. I cannot continue with the 8 now. How about this column? We have 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers are the 7 and the 6. We have a 7 and a 6 in this big square. So no 7 and a 6 in these 2 boxes. The 7 and 6 goes in those 2 boxes. 7 and a 6, 7 and a 6. I don't like to mark those 2 boxes, but for you, it's more clear what the other 2 numbers are in this column. Okay, so those 2 missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7. So the 8 and the 9 are missing here. 8 and the 9. Let me mark those. So what are the other 2 numbers in this big square? 4 numbers. 1 is missing, 2 and a 3 is missing. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Alright. 1, 1. Uh-huh. 5, 5. Uh-huh. 6, 6. Let me see. 3 in this row. 3 in the middle row, so the row above. The only place left for the 3 should be there. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 missing numbers in this column. Column. One of the missing numbers is 4. We see here 4 in this big square, so no 4 in these two boxes. So the 4 could be here, or there. We see there another 4, no 4 here. Here 4, no 4 there. Only place left for the 4 should be here. 4 in this column, 4 in the column next. So the last column, the only place left for the 4 should be there. Alright. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers. So 1 is missing. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and a 9 is missing. 1 and a 9, 1 and a 9. We have a 9 there, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 9 in this row, 9 in the middle row, so the row above. The only place left for the 9 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this row for numbers 1, 2, 3. The 4 is missing. 5, 6, and a 7 is missing. 7 and a 4, 7 and a 4. We have a 7 there, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 4 goes there. I've marked those two boxes with a 7 and 6. Now we have a 7 here in this big square. So no 7 in this box. The 7 should be there. And the 6 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers. So 1 is missing. 2, 3, 4, and a 5 is missing. 1 and a 5, 1 and a 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 1 goes there. 1 box left in this column for number 1, 2, 3. The 4 is missing. Alright. 4, 4, 4, 4. Okay. Cannot continue with the 4 now. Let me see with the 5. 5 in the last row, 5 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there, 5 should be here. 5 in the last column, 5 in that column. So in the column between, the only place left for the 5 should be there. And I cannot continue with the 5. Okay. Let me see. Yeah, 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number in this big square is the number 6. We see here 6 in the second row, so no 6 in these two boxes. So the 6 could be here or there. We see here another 6 in this column, so no 6 in these two boxes. So 1 box left for the 6 should be here. These 2 missing numbers in this column are the numbers. So 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5. The 6 is missing. And the 7 is missing. 6 and the 7, 6 and the 7. We see there's 7. No 7 there. 7 should be here. The 6 goes there. Alright. Then. 3 and 9. Okay. 2. 2. Well, 2 missing numbers in the middle row for the numbers 1. The 2 is missing. 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 2 and a 7, 2 and a 7. We have a 7 there, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and 2 goes there. 7 in the third column, 7 in the second column. So the first column, only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here. Alright. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We see here 7, no 7 there. Here 7, no 7 there. The only place left for the 7 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3 is missing. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and a 9 is missing. 3 and a 9, 3 and a 9. Still cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. 3 and a 9. Okay. Okay. So we have a 2 in the third column. 2 in the first column. So the column between the second column, the only 3 places left for the 2 should be here, here, or there. We see that 2, no 2 there. Here 2, no 2 there. Only place left for the 2 should be there. And all the 2's are used. I can see. This is number 1, number 2. Okay, how about the 7? Did I complete the 7? And all the 7's are used. I can see. Yeah, this is number 2, number 7. Alright. Alright. Let me see. Yeah. 5 in this row, 5 in the row above. So in the first row, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. Here or there. We see here 5, no 5 there, 5. It should be here. 5 in this column, 5 in the second column. So in the first column, only place left for the 5 should be there. And all the 5's are used. I can't see. Digit number 3, number 5. Alright. 193. Okay. Yeah. 6. Yeah, 3 missing numbers in the first column. Those missing numbers in the first column are the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6 is missing, 7 and the 8 is missing. 168, 168, 168. And look, we have a 1 and a 6 in this row. So no 1 and a 6 in this box. The 1 and the 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and a 6, 1 and a 6. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 6 goes there. So 1 box left now in the first column for the number 8. Alright. So we have an 8 in this row. 8 in the row below. So last row, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 2 missing numbers now in this row. The 9 and the 8 I've marked here, the 9 and the 8. So 2 numbers left, 9 and 8 in the third row. We have an 8 there, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 9, of course. So we have an 8 in this row, 8 in the third row. So the row between, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. You see there an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. Then we have all the 8's, and all the 8's are used. I can see. Digit number 4, number 8. Now we have a 9 there, so this box can be 9 and more. That box should be a 9. And this box should be a 3. 1 box left in this row for number 1, 2. The 3 is missing. 1 box left in this big square for number 1. Okay. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. 1 is missing, 2. 3 and a 4 is missing. 1 and a 4, 1 and a 4. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 4 in the third column, 4 in the first column. So the column between, only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here. 1 box left in the second column for the number 1, 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, the 9 is missing. Okay. 2 boxes left in this big square for number 1. The 2 is the 2, the 3 is missing. 4, 5, and the 6 is missing. 3 and the 6, 3 and the 6. I cannot fill this yet. Wow, 3 and 6. How about this box in the last column for the number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, the 9 is missing. 9 in this row, 9 in the row below. So the last row, the only place left for the 9 should be there. So now in the last row, 2 missing numbers, the 6 and the 3, I believe. Yeah, mark the 6 and the 3. But we have a 6 here, so no 6 there. 6 should be here. And the 3 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for number 3. 3 in this row, 3 in the last row. So the row between, the only place left for the 3 should be there. 1 box left in this big square for number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The 6 is missing. And 1 box left in this big square for number 1. Finished in 15 minutes. Told you I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. So I'm very pleased with the time. And I like this one, yes. I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later with the other 2 puzzles, a binary one and a tectonic one. Until then, bye bye for now.